What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're gonna go over my trade recap for April 1st, 2025. So for today, I only took one trade, which is on Tesla, and it was a win. I'm gonna go over my thought process, why I have the bias that I had, and what kind of signal did I execute on. All right, let's get into it. So first off, this is daily Tesla charts in 2 minutes. I'm just gonna go to the daily charts first. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so as you can see, we are in a downtrend. Look at this, right? It's a downtrend. All the way from here to here, it's a downtrend. But recently, we can see that price created a level around 220, 221, which is a support zone. Okay, we can see that price has created support zone. Price go all the way up to 277, tested around these EMAs, came back, but on the way when price going from 222 to 280, it had created a gap right here, fam. And this gap, I was expected this gap would be filled this week. And in fact, it was filled yesterday, which is on Monday. Let me go to 1 hour charts. Now you can see that gap created right here, and price had already filled that gap from yesterday. So that is telling me that I should look for a long setup, continue to the upside coming into Tuesday. Right. Let's go to 2 minutes. This is the gap I talked about. I'm gonna just delete it. So the gap has been filled. Coming on to Tuesday, I will look for long setups. Now, what do I see? This is a resistance zone price created yesterday. So for today, when price opened up, it shoot up, came down, retested this level once. Now, me personally, I don't want to trade on the first touch of the pullback of this breakup structure. I do not want to trade on the first touch, but I would look for, to me, this is only a, what you would call it, an evidence. This is the evidence that price had reacted to this level right here. What I need next, I need a confirmation, a pattern, a signal that confirm my thesis. So this is the first leg of my thesis. For the second one, I need to look for a pattern that indicate price would continue to go up. And what do I see? When price came back down here to the 50 EMA on 50 EMA, it created this pattern. One leg to me, two leg, three leg, and boom. And what is kind of this pattern right here? What this pattern right here, bro? That is a double bottom pattern. To me, that is the double bottom pattern. When price created this pattern, all I need to look for is the first second, the fourth leg going up. And when price clear all these little wicks, that is my entry. I would actually get in right there. I got in right there, put my stop loss right below these candles lows, and look for a 1 to 2 R&R. And it hit. And the price actually went up to all the way, let's see, what, 4.4R if I actually hold this trade. But I get out too, man, because to me, this is a resistance zones, and price could actually crash all the way down to my break even or stop loss. So I get out right there. But if you actually hold it, you could get a lot more profit for the same trade. But hey, I'm good with 2 hours because that is my daily target. 2 hours per day. All right, so that's it, guys. Well, thank you for watching and listening. I'll see you on the next.